This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by immediately reducing system load. Quit unused apps and disable Bluetooth audio. Next, open Logic Pro X and set the I/O buffer size to 64 samples to cut latency. Test 32 if your interface handles it. Make sure your audio interface is selected as the core audio device and confirm the sample rate matches your session. Once done, record enable a track and play. This gives you a live baseline to measure improvements and guides the next adjustments. Now refine performance. Enable Logic's low latency mode to prioritize live input processing. Set the limit to the lowest sensible value. Then scan tracks for heavy virtual instruments or convolution reverbs and either freeze those tracks or bypass their plugins while recording. Use native instrument versions or low latency alternatives. Plugin delay compensation helps mix but costs latency. Also enable multi-core processing, but avoid multi-output overloads. These steps reduce processing delay and stabilize MIDI timing for clean tracking. Finish by fine-tuning MIDI driver and buffer settings in your audio interface control panel. Reduce the MIDI input buffering if available. If latency still impacts performance, use the interface's direct monitoring to hear zero latency input while recording. Make a quick test with a single, low CPU synth patch to isolate MIDI timing issues from plugin load. If problems continue, restart Logic and the audio interface, then recheck cables and MIDI routing. This restart often clears driver glitches and resolves stubborn latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.